किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट से मैक्सिमम कितना मिला आपको?
I edited podcasts for 300 rupees. That's where I started.
Does AI play a big part in that?
We made like 12 videos last month. 80% were like AI avatars. Per video is generating 48,000 after the expenses. Biggest hack to get clients if you're in a good college, talk to your alumni. That's the hack. That's how I got my first client. And getting the first client is the hardest part. Getting second client is easy because you get it through referral. There's an effect called Dunning-Kruger's effect, which says that when you learn a little bit, you have a lot of confidence कि मेरे को सब आता है दुनिया. But when you're an expert, जिसको सब कुछ पता है, oh, there's so much to learn.
So much to learn. Can you give one tip? जो clients आपके पास आ रहे हैं, they eventually become your recurring clients.
Under promise and over deliver.
Person is let's say earning between 30,000, 40,000. अब वहाँ से महीने का 3 लाख 4 लाख वो स्केल कैसे होता है?
Let me be honest, it's very hard to do.
I think conversation के बीच आपने ये भी बताया था कि you also do motion graphic designing.
Yeah.
So किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट से मैक्सिमम कितना मिला आपको?
1 lakh.
Okay, and what was the project about?
It was again a B2B promotional video, basically a launch video for a foreign startup. It took me like 4 days to make.
4 days में 1 लाख. Pretty good that way. And roughly as a freelancer मतलब महीने का कितना someone can expect at your level?
No, just tell me like what sort of freelancing you're doing, like what is
Someone
the hard
is
skill?
someone is a motion graphic designer, ठीक है, with roughly 5 years of experience, let's say.
4 lakhs a month, 2 to 4 lakhs a month. If you have to work with international clients,
That's what I was coming to कि फॉरेन क्लाइंट से ज्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं.
ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं. But I've seen some Indian clients really good. पैसे का नहीं बोल सकता, but they have been really good as like communication and also give bonus, which is a very rare thing in India. India के, yeah, I just want to work with foreign clients. Yeah, it's much easier. I feel you should actually build a profile really good before reaching out clients. I do feel that. Like a lot of people these days, what they're doing is कि थोड़ा बहुत सीख के लग रहा है कि there's a effect called Dunning-Kruger's effect, okay?
What is that?
Dunning-Kruger effect is something like, basically it's a graph like this, which says that when you learn a little bit, you have a lot of confidence कि मेरे को सब आता है दुनिया में, right? But when you're an expert, for example, a scientist working on a project for very long, even if you are at that extreme end, जिसको सब कुछ पता है, almost
मतलब प्राइम पे भी हो तब
prime
ऐसा
पे भी,
लगता है
then
कि
you'll go, oh, there's so much to learn,
much to learn.
so much to know, right? तो वो initial boost होता है स्टार्टिंग में कि भाई मुझे तो सब आता है. मुझे भी लगा था कंटेंट के जब मैं 1-2 साल में कर रहा था कि भाई मुझे तो सब पता है भाई, ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ी होता. फिर अगले महीने से स्पॉन्सर आने बंद हो गए. आई वेंट बैक टू जीरो, तो धक्का लगा. तो आई एम टेलिंग दैट वो होता है. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे मेक अ क्रैपी पोर्टफोलियो, ठीक है. आई वुड से work a lot on like mock projects. There's a concept called mock projects where you have a fake client, fake project, ठीक है. कोई भी ब्रांडिंग का नाम हो गया, लोगो हो गया. There's a use case कि ऐसा प्रोमो वीडियो बनाना है. So you try making that. You still don't have a client, ठीक है. And you put that in you have to build a portfolio. That's very important. Use Framer, use Card, use Behance. Don't use Google Drive, please. Anyone, please don't send me Google Drive links. मैं देखता भी नहीं हूँ. So I think it's very important. And then you start reaching out to people. Biggest hack to get clients is to, if you're in a good college, talk to your alumni, basically. Those who are building. That's the hack. That's how I got my first client. And getting the first client is the hardest part. Getting second client is easy because you get it through referral. Simple. Most of the clients, most of every work I got through is referral. Okay. I think that's the best place to win. But if you don't have access to that, you should probably cold mail people. Everyone सब वही बोलते. But I think you should start to see तुम्हारे आसपास कौन से बिजनेस फाउंडर्स है, किसी को मैं कुछ हेल्प कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. सो पोर्टफोलियो तुमने बनाया, एक अच्छा सा वेबसाइट बना लिया, देन यू स्टार्ट रीचिंग आउट पीपल. बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू मेक कॉन्टेंट फ्रॉम डे जीरो अबाउट योर जर्नी, about what you're trying to learn, how bad you are. Everything should be documented. That's the best way to get visible, I would say. Have you seen Severance?
No, I have not.
So Severance is a Apple TV series. उसका intro sequence I think got some बहुत ही ऐसा प्राइस वाइज मिला है कुछ तो, ठीक है. उसका intro sequence is like full 3D. So how that guy got hired is through the director or the producer was randomly scrolling on Instagram and saw that guy's work. DM'd, boom, millions, right? It's very important to be visible, I feel. So once you start showing your work, I think that's the best way to get approached. तुम cold mail, you parallelly do that, then तुम्हारा जब प्रोफाइल भी ग्रो होगा, you don't need to grow big, you don't need to hit 50k followers. 50k followers of the wrong audience से better है 5k audience of the right audience. समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
राइट
तो आई थिंक यू जस्ट नीड टू रीच द राइट ऑडियंस, पैरेलली डू बोथ. एक टाइम होगा कि यू विल गेट सम क्लाइंट्स. फर्स्ट क्लाइंट्स, कुछ क्लाइंट्स बूढ़े होंगे ही, कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा कम में तुम्हें. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम आई वर्क फॉर, आई विल नॉट बिलीव, आई एडिटेड पॉडकास्ट्स फॉर 300 rupees.
आर यू सीरियस?
That's where I started. Yes.
Oh my god.
And that too was for a college friend. But yeah, hey, I'm getting some work, I can show that works for me, right? तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव हमेशा था कि आई हैव टू बिल्ड अ पोर्टफोलियो, तो आई नीड टू गेट वर्क्स. फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो दिस इज इन द फ्रीलांसिंग वर्ल्ड, इट्स कॉल्ड लाइक फ्री टू फी मॉडल. फर्स्ट यू डू वर्क फॉर फ्री, then you show that work and then charge. That's how you
Free to
get.
fee.
And most important thing, every time a client is happy, and if the client is not happy, it's on you. ठीक है, you have to be the best. Please get a testimonial. Please. Every testimonial helps. If you go to my LinkedIn, there are still testimonials from founders, VCs and all those things. ठीक है, that goes a long way because वो trust build होता है कि okay, client बोल रहा है कि वो अच्छा है. I'm not just telling. Like if I talk about myself, it's good. But if someone else, like this podcast, talks about me, maybe that builds a better image of me, right?
Of course.
So you see how things work. So yeah,
ठीक है सोमनाथ, लेट्स टेक अ स्टेप बैक.
yeah,
तो सपोजिटली कोई कॉलेज का बंदा है, अगेन कमिंग बैक टू माय क्वेश्चन, कि उसे लेट्स से वीडियो एडिटिंग जैसी ही कोई स्किल सीखनी है, उसने सीखी है और अब उसको 0 to 1 स्केल करना है. तो यू सेड कि उसने टूल्स सीखी, लेट्स से प्रीमियर इज देयर और DaVinci is there,
DaVinci is there,
After Effects is there. वो उन्होंने टूल्स सीखा, देन द पर्सन while learning those tools also keeps implementing it through
mock projects. Yeah.
ठीक है, तो mock projects हुआ, then through projects the person builds a certain portfolio,
Right.
ठीक है. Specifically किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अच्छा होता है पोर्टफोलियो बनाना? लेट्स से इज इट Framer, इज इट जस्ट Behance?
I have built my portfolio on Behance. I'm very lazy.
Okay.
I think Framer works the best. I feel the easiest.
Mm-hmm.
People are building it on card.io also. That also works.
Hmm.
But I think Framer is the best. I think that's the easiest and the best option. You're right.
Got it.
Yeah.
तो अब Framer पे अगर प्लेटफॉर्म आपका पोर्टफोलियो बन गया,
Right.
then you go ahead and start pitching people through cold emails. और इस पूरे प्रोसेस के बीच में the person should also do personal branding. खुद का कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए उसे.
Yup. I think that is one of my most regret. I should have talked about my work more. I haven't still yet done on my channel. I think that's the best way to get clients. They should build their personal brand. I will tell you one example. Okay? Simple example. I will also give you the names. I did a motion design work for Strategy startup. ठीक है. तो I did that. The founder was very happy. मतलब काफी happy था वो. He paid me decently. बोनस दिया इंडियन, फर्स्ट इंडियन क्लाइंट जिसने मुझे सब बोनस दिया था. ठीक है, इट वाज नॉट लॉट बट इट वाज, ए इंडियन क्लाइंट बोनस देता है, ये नहीं पता था. सो आई हैड अ मेंटर कॉल यश अग्रवाल. ओके, ठीक है, मेरा सीनियर था. नाउ इज बिल्डिंग लाइक इन Web3. ठीक है, तो ही टोल्ड मी टू पुट ऑन LinkedIn कि मैंने ये किया है. एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं ये सब थोड़ी होता है, नहीं चीची, खुद का काम देखा क्या करो. ही फोर्स्ड मी. Trust me. Next day, I had probably 50 DMs from VCs, from fintech startups. Got 2 job offers to join full time. That's the importance of showing your work. I think it's a little easier on LinkedIn. LinkedIn and Twitter. Obviously, it's text format. But I think you should also build your brand along the way, I feel. 100%.
सो अगेन पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग साथ में हो रही है. नाउ जब कोल्ड ईमेल्स कर रहे हैं या फिर लेट्स से दीज स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग ऑन सर्टेन प्लेटफॉर्म्स, किसी डोमेन पे जा रहे हैं, कौन से ऐसे 3 बेस्ट डोमेन है विच प्रोबब्ली यू विल सजेस्ट कि यहाँ पे अच्छा
Going forward, मतलब I feel AI is a tailwind industry, so I think उसमें तो होना ही चाहिए. You can build in the periphery, for example, maybe video editing hoga, is gonna blow up. It has been blowing up now. The commercials that we used to get paid are like double now. Like video editing is gonna be there, and video editing. I'm also accounting like motion design and stuff,
अच्छा.
right? I think I would say content also, but although it's not a hard skill, being able to grow an audience is gonna be a job one day. I do have a job offer already, आगे से, from a big tech, like, you know, billion valued company reached out to me to join there as a strategy role. So even if you are able to scale content, खुद का हो गया, किसी का हो गया, it's gonna be a job role soon. I think it's a good place to be in.
So
Because
social media is basically one more domain.
yes, social media is a domain. I think किसी ने तो बोला था कि the best marketing role is to be a creator, because creator जिसने scale किया versus someone who's just graduate from a college, MBA वगैरह किया है, they don't have jack shit about content and shit, and technically it's a sales, right? You are being able to convince someone who is seeing you on the other side of the screen. I think content creation, yeah, I do feel it's gonna be a job. I think it already is a job right now, but I think जो pay scale है ना वो बढ़ेगा. People who can scale content would be earning a lot of money. Strategy, consulting.
Right. Another friend of mine,
Yeah.
एक बस instance मुझे याद आ रहा है बता रहा हूँ कि another friend of mine, he was making खुद का content. ठीक है, अपना तो बना ही रहा था.
Right.
तो he scaled it to some level, like I think 50 or 100K
Right.
level on YouTube. और उसके बाद उसने ये बात बोली कि यार मैं सिर्फ खुद का क्यों स्केल कर रहा हूँ,
Right.
क्योंकि एक पॉइंट के बाद यू विल गेट सैचुरेटेड और उसके बाद फिर क्या, फिर तो डाउनफॉल है. उसके बाद क्या? तो व्हाट ही सेड वाज, एंड इट स्टिल स्टिक्स विद मी, कि मैं खुद का तो बना रहा हूँ, दैट्स फाइन, आई विल हेल्प पीपल स्केल देयर कंटेंट,
Right.
जो कि कभी खत्म नहीं होगा.
Right.
तो देयर इज नो स्टॉपेज टू दैट.
Right.
दैट इज वन क्रेजी थिंग. तो अच्छा, अगेन कमिंग बैक टू कि दीज स्टूडेंट्स, वो लोग किसी स्पेसिफिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे जा सकते हैं टू गेट दीज क्लाइंट्स?
Yeah, there's Upwork, there's Fiverr, but let me be honest, it's very hard to get it there.
रीजन बीइंग
You are
competition बहुत है.
competing. You're competing against someone in Pakistan. No offense, able like okay to work like $10 an hour, where you can't sustain your work at that pace. So that's the competition. But yeah, I think those platforms मैंने भी किया है. I could crack clients. Just I wanted to crack a client there because just to say कि मैंने किया Upwork में काम, ठीक है, portfolio दिखा दिया, ये ले, ठीक है. तो those platforms, I think it's hard. I think it's the best place to start with people nearby you. Best place, bhai, just move out. Just come to a good place like Bangalore, Delhi, जहाँ पे चीजें हो रही है, startups build हो रही है, people are more open to meeting you. Just DM them. Just tell them कि I will learn anything, I will do work for free, just give me a chance to prove myself. I think that conviction is what will get you the first client, I feel.
एंड गेटिंग द फर्स्ट, हाउ डू यू प्रॉब्ली प्राइस योरसेल्फ? खुद का कैसे बताएं कि यार मेरे को इतना पे करो? व्हाट इज दैट नंबर?
Depends on your position, I feel. If you're starting out, just do a market analysis. Just if that's where being a creator always helps. You can ask another creator कि okay, क्या रेट चल रहा है, लोग कितना ले रहे हैं. You need to be in a community. I think I missed that point. The best way to also get client is being in this like editing communities. Like I have at least placed 10 people from my community. So I did not launch my community for so many years. I don't know why. I was very lazy, but now people are reaching out to me कि editor दे दे. First they reach out to me कि will you edit for me? Obviously the answer is no by default. Then I see कि okay, my community में लोग हैं अच्छे. So I float a form and they also get the gigs and jobs. And अच्छे like some of the projects are like 60K month salary, like, तो वैसा type का.
Where do you find these communities?
Discord. You just need to be fiddling around little bit. Discord हो गया, school community हो गया. Be in the community. I think that's because else it feels like a very isolated journey. तुम अकेले सब कर रहे हो. It feels very solo. If you find someone else like-minded, क्या पता तुम्हारा startup को founder बन जाए, agency founder बन जाए तुम्हारा, right? Be in the community से भी तुमको मिलेगा.
कुछ एक ऐसा कोई नंबर है? Is there a number कि इससे तो इतना तो तुमको अपना पिच करना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. You know the basic tools. You've come from 0 to 1 now.
Yeah.
So what at that stage, what is something based on अभी का market, because you know pretty well कि
Yeah.
अभी क्या चल रहा है, क्या
Yeah.
नहीं चल रहा है.
Yeah.
What is something that if you were in that position, तो आप क्या quote करते हैं?
First, probably I would be in a community. First thing I would do is, hey, I'm getting a profile like this. What should I charge? Ask others, basically.
Hmm.
If they say 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, it's fine. I will pitch that. The way it works now is very interesting. It's opportunity cost, basically. That's how it works. So I always have more clients than I can take. So always I will pitch the highest, right?
Hmm.
So I already know ki, okay, this is the place they can give me, right? So if they are willing to give me like $1,000, $1,500, and another client is like giving me like $2,000, obviously it's like very simple decision, right? Go forward with that. So you need to set a benchmark. Starting mein it's hard,
Hmm.
but I think you should also see कि तुम्हारा क्या requirement है. If you have a subscription that costs,
Hmm.
you need to at least break even that. So that way you can start thinking कि इतने clients है, इतने clients चाहिए मुझे, इतने projects चाहिए, and that way you can come to a number.
Right. So subscriptions is also something जो consideration में लेना चाहिए when
If
you
you
are
have a
pitching
subscription,
something.
yeah, obviously like
Fair. Fair. Okay, cool. So I think we saw the journey from 0 to 1 कि कैसे आ गए हैं. Now the person is let's say earning between 30,000, 40,000, 50,000.
right.
ठीक है. अब वहां से महीने का 3 लाख 4 लाख एंड इवेंचुअली 1 करोड़ वो स्केल कैसे होता है फॉरेन क्लाइंट्स?
See, yeah, highest paying clients. So you need to see the profile of work. For example, if I am someone who's basic beginner level कमा पा रहा हूँ, क्रिएटर के लिए एडिट कर रहा हूँ, देयर इज अ कैप ऑन कितना एक इंडियन क्रिएटर दे पाएगा तुम्हें, राइट? अगेन मैं खुद के पैर में खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा हूँ, मेरे एडिटर्स वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो बट आई डू पे देम वेल. मैं बहुत बोनस वगैरह देता हूँ, एकदम पूरा स्पॉइल करके रखा है, सबको मैकबुक वैकबुक भी गिफ्ट करता रहता है.
ओह नाइस नाइस, गुड एम्प्लॉयर.
Yeah, hopefully. So first try to, you will get a hunch when you feel कि भाई मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, तो विल इफ यू हैव रिटेनर क्लाइंट्स, मतलब सेम क्लाइंट बार बार काम दे रहा है मंथली का, दैट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस टू बी इन कि रिटेनर क्लाइंट है मेरे पास. मानो एक क्रिएटर के लिए मैं एडिट कर रहा हूँ, मंथली मुझे पता है 4 वीडियो एडिट करना है, राइट? यू आस्क हिम टू इंक्रीज द प्राइस. बेसिकली तुमको अपना रेट बढ़ाना है, राइट? दैट वे you can increase a little bit. Obviously there will be a point जहाँ पे तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, so you can jump to the next thing. Now you're working for creators, maybe now you're working for business owners, now you're working for startups. फिर धीरे धीरे तुम्हारा ऐसा बढ़ा. Now maybe now you're working for international clients. दुबई का कोई client हो गया, US का कोई client हो गया, कनाडा का कोई client हो गया, right? That's how you slowly scale, right? There will be a point तुम खुद नहीं कर पाओगे. There will be a point तुम उसके बाद खुद से नहीं कर पाओगे चीज़ें.
टीम चाहिए होगी.
You need a team, right? Get a co-founder, basically. Okay. I think that's one decision I should have taken much earlier. Get a co-founder for my, at least YouTube. That helps a lot because now 2 brains are working on a problem. Now it's more distributed. So धीरे धीरे you will see कि okay, am I building an agency now? Problem with a lot of people are day zero they're trying to build an agency and it won't work. A lot of people are trying because all this again influencers talked about pitching की agency बनाओ. Trust me, day zero skill के साथ agency नहीं बन सकता है. You will fail. A lot of my friends tried, it's not working. Agency should be a byproduct, not the final product. कि accidentally बन गया because now I can't scale anymore. I have a lot of clients, a lot of people love my work, they are ready to pay. Now you employ people under you. You try to delegate some of the work. That's how you go to that 3-4. I think अकेला 3-4 it's gonna be hard. I think it's gonna be hard. Like मेरे experience के हिसाब से you should build a team.
So again coming to the process कि you slowly start pitching to bigger clients.
Yes.
Right? Eventually going international or build a team around yourself.
Or नहीं, you have to build a team.
You'll have to build a team
Yeah.
around yourself.
I think the earlier you build a team and try to delegate some part of it, the better. Because now you can focus on more creative problems. I'm telling you, I will give an example. हमारा जो problem होता है, we have very dead timelines of release. कि आज sponsor आया तो 1 हफ्ते में देना है video, right? तो if I am the one scripting, recording, shooting, editing, तो मैं तो एग्जॉस्ट हो गया ना. तो आई डेंट हैव द टाइम, क्रिएटिव बैंडविड्थ तो थिंक कि वो 1% चेरी ऑन द केक क्या है जो मैं डाल सकता हूँ वीडियो में, ताकि वो एकदम अलग ही लगे. राइट, यू नीड टू बी ऑल्सो बी फ्री थोड़ा सा, ताकि तुम स्लोली यू नीड टू स्टार्ट डेलीगेटिंग थिंग्स. नाउ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस आई डोंट इवन एडिट, इट्स completely delegated, right? So that's how it works. That's the reason I could work on some of my ambitious personal projects, which got me a rack. See, that's how things work.
इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन, तो आप जैसे अब प्रीवियसली बता रहे थे कि पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करनी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yeah.
तो इस प्रोसेस में व्हाइल दिस इज हैपनिंग नाउ यू स्केल टू 1 to 10 अब जाना है. इवेंचुअली योर गोल इज कि साल का मेरे को 1 करोड़ का अपना एक पैकेज एफआई में से, ठीक है, इवेंचुअल एक अपना बिल्ड करना है. इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ इट?
I think content creation is the catalyst. Because I think that's, देखो, first notion that I feel people should do day zero is to think about when you're starting content, what's the business plan? Day one question. तुम इसको business, लोग अंधाधुन कर लेते कंटेंट, स्केल कर लिया 100 के, उसके बाद नहीं पता क्या करना है. They don't have a next plan कि business क्या है भाई. तुम आज relevant हो, कल नहीं हो, right? Again, you should make content that aligns with your business plan, and content is the top of the funnel, basically. You create a funnel, content is what gives you the reach. भाई लोगों को पता होना चाहिए ना मैं क्या करता हूँ, क्या ऑफर करता हूँ सर्विस, राइट? तो आई थिंक कंटेंट इज अ ह्यूज पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट इफ यू जस्ट थिंक कि ओके मैं ये महीने कंटेंट के थ्रू 8 लाख कमाया हूँ, नेक्स्ट महीने भी कमाऊंगा, हर साल कमाऊंगा, नहीं होता. आई हैव सीन ऑल द साइकिल्स. मैंने 4 साइकिल देख चुका हूँ, फ्रॉम गुड टू जीरो. You have to have a business. Content is a risky game, I feel, but business के लिए important है. Any consumer facing business के लिए content is important.
So now that supposedly a person has a team, अपनी content भी बना रहा है.
That's what Iman did, no?
Right.
If you think that journey has been documenting from day zero.
Probably can you give one trick or one tip, let's say, कि जो clients आपके पास आ रहे हैं, they eventually become your recurring clients. Something, what is that cherry on top जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो, that you give to your clients, कि यार ये तो crazy हो गया, मैं इस बंदे के पास वापस जाऊंगा तो मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम फिर से सॉल्व कर देगा वो. ऐसा क्या है वो?
Under promise and over deliver. That's
big
one.
words.
Very big words, but see, I have been in a position where I used to be a freelancer. I'm in a position where I hire freelancers. And now I feel I should have charged more because these people are so कि भाई they are over promising and under delivering. I'm like, how? I will give you a small example. मेरा कॉलेज में था, 3rd year, फाइनल सेमेस्टर चल रहा है, क्लाइंट है मेरे पास. भाई एग्जाम के बीच बैठ के मैं एडिट कर रहा हूँ उनके लिए. दैट्स माई वर्ड, दैट्स द वर्ड. जबान दिया तो करना पड़ेगा. आजकल के लोग नहीं, तबीयत खराब है, लैपटॉप क्रैश हो गया, दैट्स द कॉमन थिंग. आई थिंक दैट when they see the quality of your work, एक तो if a project is gonna take 7 days, I will give you a couple of hacks. If a project is gonna take 7 days, tell 10 दिन लगेगा, and 7 दिन में तुम उसको दे दो. They are happy, right? Oh, पहले दे दिया. It's a lot of psychological things basically, and also the kind of projects you take matters. I feel if you want a retainer, I will give an example. 2D motion design, where I make promo videos for clients, is not a retainer business. I will tell you why. Startup आया, funding है, promo video बना, खत्म हो गया काम रहा. Promo video तो एक बार ही बनता है. Unless you want them, unless they have a plan to have a channel or even their internal training team जिनके लिए तुमको continuously video बनाना है, it's not going to be a retainer. So it pays a lot, but you always have to find new clients. That's the problem with this part. But if you have a retainer, like आप किसी के लिए कंटेंट बना रहे हो, राइट, यू आर मैनेजिंग कंटेंट, दैट्स अ रिकरिंग बिजनेस. आप किसी का क्लाइंट हैंडल कर रहे हो, राइट, चैनल हैंडल कर रहे हो, एडिट कर रहे हो, तो वैसे ही रिटेनर्स बनता है फिर.
गॉट इट. और ये स्केलिंग का जो प्रोसेस है, यू सेड टीम बिल्डिंग एंड वो सारी चीजें हैं, डज एआई प्ले अ बिग पार्ट इन दैट?
आई थिंक नाउ इट हैज स्टार्टेड टू प्ले बिकॉज वी हैव चेंज्ड आवर ओन कंटेंट प्लेबुक अ लॉट आफ्टर एआई हैज कम एंड थिंग्स हैव बीन very easy. So for example, we made like 12 videos this month. 80% were like AI avatars.
Hmm.
Sponsors are fine with that.
Oh.
I don't think sponsors even know that it's not me. ठीक है, मैं तो घूम रहा हूँ. I'm traveling the world. But AI avatar is working 24 hours for me. That's one part. I will tell you I will give you numbers. Okay. So AI avatar that I trained, one video per video is generating 48,000 rupees.
Just one video.
Yeah. After the expenses. तो मैंने कट एडिटर के एक्सपेंस कट करके बोला. तो it saves me from production time. So I'm saving time because every time I have to tell us like talking to the camera, I have to set up the camera, the light, the everything. AC चलेगा, production guy आएगा, shoot करेगा. It's gone.
Can you tell some AI tools जो कि अभी यूज कर सकते हैं लोग, मे बी स्क्रिप्टिंग के लिए, मे बी एडिटिंग के लिए?
Depends on the content you make. For example, if you want to write script, GPT you can use, but it's not good. I will tell you, you need to learn another skill for this. You need
What
to
is
learn
that?
prompting. Prompt engineering तुमको सीखना पड़ेगा. How to really write good prompts. See, the problem with AI now is it's accessible to everyone. It's cheap. Now there's a huge volume of average content. GPT से पूछता है. Doesn't work that way. We have a internal prompt that's like 1 page.
Oh.
That helps us to write really good high retention scripts. If you see our retention for like our short like not short form content but short length content, it's bonkers. Like YouTubers it's like YouTubers wet dream. It's that good. Like you won't imagine retention is like 90% duration में 45% तक का retention है. So usually drops like this, but it's like flat. So we have been working on that. So best way to is first be good at that skill yourself. Then try to find the patterns. Learn prompt engineering. Then build a prompt that will keep helping you. We use GPT. We use Perplexity for deep research. We use for avatar. We use like Synthesia, DID, Akul. Editing के लिए we don't use any AI tool, but there are a lot of short form editing tools like captions that will help you a lot.
Sumrat, tell me something कि freelancing as a, अगर मैं as a profession ही उसको देखूं,
Okay.
does not have a lot of security. For example, कभी महीने का 50,000 आएगा, कभी शायद 2 लाख आएगा, और कभी 15,000 भी आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Is it that freelancers should also invest their money in stock markets?
I mean, everyone should invest.
Okay.
Yeah. I think starting small is important. Starting is important because even if it's like 5,000 a month or like 10,000 a month, I think getting into the habit of investing is very important, and it's a times game. Building that portfolio, that pool of wealth, that safety net is a very time game. It will test your patience to the level best. But I think they should invest whatever they can. I'm not asking to go very aggressive right on. I will tell you, I will give you a reason. Okay? I've seen a lot of people, just for example, like earning 30,000, living bare minimum like 10,000 and just investing everything. I think that's especially in our early 20s, I think it's not the best idea, because the best investment that you can do is in yourself, I feel. Like, how can I upskill myself? I don't think वो वाला culture इतना भी अभी नहीं आया इंडिया में, like because of you need to be like awareness के issues है. So I think you are basically you think of yourself like a stock. You're a stock. You have a price. Basically, you have to increase your valuation. आपका खुद का value बढ़ाना है. Over time. So how do you do that? Like, how do companies do that? Like, they reinvest their money, then scale. You have to think yourself like a stock. कि भाई मैं खुद का market value कितना बढ़ा रहा हूँ. I think first thing is buy courses, buy books, talk to people, get into those exclusive events. ताकि खुद का upskill, ताकि I can like increase my earning potential. Then you start इन्वेस्टिंग लिटिल बिट जो भी हो पाए.
Fair. Do you invest?
हाँ, मैं वेरी हेवी इन्वेस्टर. मैं कॉलेज के सेकंड ईयर से इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, that is a long time.
See, again, investing I feel should be very boring. You should focus on earning. I feel investing. I have a planner. We have a family certified financial planner.
Okay.
He invests in mutual funds. So it's just automated right now. Just salary आता है, पैसे कट जाता है, and मैं देखता हूँ कि अच्छा इतना बचा है. So every time I get a hike. So in the 2 years I got like I got hike both the times, and every time I stepped up my SIPs ताकि मेरे खुद के एक्सपेंस के लिए कम बचे. तो आई विल बी ऑलवेज इन नोशन कि मेरे पास तो इतना ही पैसा है. अब वो कहाँ पे ग्रो हो गया, कितना बड़ा हो गया, वो तो पता ही है. वो तो मैं इतना देखता नहीं हूँ. बट अगर मैं 4 लाख कमा रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, भाई कितना ही खर्चा होता है बैंगलोर में, राइट? मैं इतना पार्टी सब नहीं करता ज़्यादा बहुत. तो ठीक है, आई विल प्रॉब्ली इन्वेस्ट लाइक 70% ऑफ माई सैलरी. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव एक्चुअली डन पॉडकास्ट ऑफ पीपल इन सैलरीड पीपल in Bangalore in good companies. Lot of people are not even investing like 50% of their income. मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा है वो पैसा. ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे, वो कर रहे. I think investing तो करना चाहिए. At least currently in my position I invest like 70% of my salary because surplus रहता है मेरे पास बहुत.
Of course.
तो
Of
I
course,
think
I also know someone जो मतलब roughly महीने का 8 से 9 लाख कमाता है and 80 to 90% he just invests. क्योंकि कितना खर्च करोगे?
कितना खर्चा होगा?
और कहाँ खर्च करोगे? मतलब क्या हर वीकेंड पार्टी एंड पार्टी भी इवन इफ यू डू दैट यू कैन नॉट स्पेंड अर्निंग 8 lakh a month. How much will you spend on parties?
So true. I mean, lifestyle inflation इतना जल्दी नहीं करना चाहिए. I think your earning should compound faster than your lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle धीरे धीरे बढ़ाओ, वो गैप को इन्वेस्ट करते रहो. It's simple भाई. मतलब
This is a great line. Probably will stay with me. Great, Sumrat. It was amazing talking to you. बहुत सारी चीजें मैं खुद सीखा हूँ out of this. Probably the journey that you talked about. All right. With that said, thank you so much for coming on the podcast. It was great having you.
Thank you for inviting me. It was a great time.